Everyone in this world have to die one day. People should not commit any evil. People should always perform good action by giving dana, by keep holding sila. And also by knowing that everyone had to die one day, all the people and all the human and also all the living beings should have metta in their minds. Metta means loving kindness. They should love each other. All the people should love each other, and they should throw away their hatred from their heart. If you keep your mind feel, if you can fill your mind with loving and kindness towards all the living beings, that time you can do something good for them at your life. To do something good for others, it means you are doing good for yourself. Why? Because whatever we do, everything has its effect. So whenever you do good action, and whenever you help some other, that means you are helping to yourself. It can be anything. It can be anything like giving dana to someone else, which means you are keeping like saving account, like you have saving account, and you save your money, you keep deposit your money at bank account. In the same way, if you give dana to someone else, that means you are keeping your money for your next life. So who is getting benefit, you or the receiver? Of course you. So giving dana to someone else, that means you are giving to yourself. For example, if someone else is angry at you, and because of his hatred he started to scold you, scream at you, and trying to make you angry. If you are angry, you will also do something bad, and you will also try to hurt him. Whenever you get hatred at your heart, at your mind, the restlessness at your heart will be start, and you will look so different, and you will suffer because of your own hatred. But if someone else had done mistaken to you, and if someone else had scolded at you and screaming at you, and have done something else that which make you hurt, then forgive him. To forgive others' fault, that means forgiving yourself. If you forgive to other person, that means you are forgiving yourself. It's not that you are helping him, but it's helping to yourself. You are helping to yourself. Why? Because if you forgive to that person, then the hatred, the fire, the burning heart will be calm, and you will have a peace mind. That's why doing something good for others means doing good to yourself. It means you are doing good to yourself. Who knows when we will die? Everyone will have to die one day. So why should we die with such burden? Why we should not die by doing good always? Because whenever we die, our only friend will be our karma. Our karma will be only our follower. Only karma will follow us wherever we go. Wherever we go, karma will go with us. Our relatives cannot go with us. The wealth which I have earned hardly, those wealth will not go with us. And the money I have earned by hard working, those money will also be here. Nothing will go with me. And also, even my parents who love me more than their own lives, they also cannot go with me. Even my siblings, they love me, and my relatives, they love me. My wife loves me. My husband loves me. My children loves me. But nobody can go with me. In fact, in this world, nothing will go with me, even this body. This body I have to live here. Nothing will go with me. Then why should I be so ego? Why should I have so much ego? Why should I hate other people? Why should I commit evil? I must do always good for myself and for others. Even you are doing good for others, it's still good. It's still doing good for yourself, not for others. Right?